Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our basic dry cleaning services and find it useful.
1. Garment reception. The process begins when the garments are either picked up by one of Sudsies' garment care valets or brought directly into one of their boutiques. Sudsies offers complimentary pickup and delivery services across their service areas in Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties, providing convenience for their guests. 2. Initial inspection. Once the garments are received, they undergo an initial inspection. This involves identifying any stains, damages, or special care instructions that may be required for each item. The inspection helps to determine the best cleaning method and any additional services that might be needed, such as repairs or stain treatments. 3. Guest communication. If any issues or special requirements are identified during the initial inspection, Sudsies communicates with the guest to discuss the findings and obtain approval for any necessary additional services. This step ensures that guests are fully informed and agree to the proposed care plan.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.